Waste separation is the process of dividing waste materials into different categories. This can be done by hand or using mechanical and automated systems. The goal of waste separation is to make it easier to recycle and compost waste materials, and to reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills. Screening is a process used to separate materials of different sizes. In the context of waste separation, screening is used to separate waste materials into different size fractions. This can be done using a variety of screening equipment, such as trommel screens, shaker screens, and air classifiers. Screening is needed in waste separation for a number of reasons, including to remove large objects that could damage downstream processing equipment, to separate materials of different sizes for more efficient recycling and composting, to separate out contaminants and other undesirable materials. For example, screening is used to remove large objects, such as furniture and appliances, from municipal solid waste, MSW, before the MSW is shredded and composted. Screening is also used to separate different types of plastic waste, such as PET bottles and HDPE containers, so that they can be recycled separately. Screening is an important part of waste separation, as it helps to improve the efficiency of waste processing and increase the recycling rate. Here are some other benefits of screening in waste separation. Improved product quality. Screening can help to improve the quality of recycled and composted materials by removing contaminants and other undesirable materials. Reduced environmental impact. Screening can help to reduce the environmental impact of waste disposal by diverting waste materials from landfills. Increased cost savings. Screening can help to reduce the cost of waste disposal by increasing the recycling rate. Overall, screening is an important and versatile process that can be used to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of waste separation. Drying and dewatering are important processes in waste processing. Drying is the process of removing water from waste materials, while dewatering is the process of removing water from waste slurries. Both drying and dewatering can help to reduce the volume and weight of waste materials, making them easier to transport and dispose of. Drying is often used to prepare waste materials for recycling. For example, plastic waste is often dried before it is recycled into new plastic products. Drying can also be used to prepare waste materials for energy recovery. For example, sewage sludge can be dried and then incinerated to generate electricity. Dewatering is often used to reduce the volume and weight of waste slurries before they are disposed of in a landfill or incinerator. Dewatering can also be used to separate solids from liquids in waste slurries, so that the solids can be recycled or composted. There are a number of different drying and dewatering technologies available, including thermal drying. Thermal drying uses heat to evaporate water from waste materials. Thermal dryers can be direct fired, indirect fired, or solar powered. Mechanical drying. Mechanical drying uses mechanical forces to remove water from waste materials. Mechanical dryers include centrifuges, belt presses, and filter presses. Natural drying. Natural drying uses the sun and wind to evaporate water from waste materials. Natural drying is often used to dry agricultural and industrial waste materials. The best drying or dewatering technology for a particular type of waste will depend on the composition of the waste, the desired moisture content, and the environmental and public health impacts of the different processing options. Here are some examples of how drying and dewatering are used in waste processing. Municipal solid waste. Municipal solid waste, MSW, is often dewatered before it is disposed of in a landfill. This helps to reduce the volume of waste that goes to landfills and extend the lifespan of the landfills. Sewage sludge. Sewage sludge is often dewatered before it is disposed of in a landfill or incinerator. This helps to reduce the volume and weight of the sludge, making it easier to transport and dispose of. Food scraps and yard waste. Food scraps and yard waste can be dewatered and composted to create a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Drying and dewatering are important processes in waste processing, as they can help to reduce the volume and weight of waste materials, making them easier to transport and dispose of. Drying can also be used to prepare waste materials for recycling and energy recovery. The purpose of product recovery and recycling is to reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills and incinerators, and to conserve natural resources. Product recovery refers to the process of collecting and reusing or recycling products or their components. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new products. Product recovery and recycling are important for a number of reasons, including protecting the environment. Landfills and incinerators can pollute the air, water, and soil. Product recovery and recycling can help to reduce this pollution. Conserving natural resources. Recycling helps to conserve natural resources, such as trees, water, and minerals. For example, recycling paper saves trees, recycling aluminum cans saves bauxite ore, and recycling plastic saves petroleum. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Landfills are a major source of methane, a greenhouse gas that is more potent than carbon dioxide. Product recovery and recycling can help to reduce methane emissions by diverting waste from landfills. Protecting public health. Improper waste management can lead to the spread of disease. Product recovery and recycling can help to protect public health by reducing the risk of disease transmission. Product recovery and recycling can be done at the household, commercial, and industrial levels. At the household level, individuals can recycle common household materials, such as paper, plastic, metal, and glass. At the commercial and industrial levels, businesses can recycle a wide range of materials, including electronics, construction materials, and food scraps. There are a number of benefits to product recovery and recycling, including environmental benefits. Product recovery and recycling can help to protect the environment by reducing pollution, conserving natural resources, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Economic benefits. Product recovery and recycling can create jobs and boost the economy. Social benefits. Product recovery and recycling can help to create a more sustainable society. Overall, product recovery and recycling are important ways to reduce waste, conserve natural resources, and protect the environment.